Bonjour! Bonjour les amis! Welcome friends to French with Ananas. My name is Madame Tweedy. Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy and I hope you're having a great day today. We have such a special lesson today. We're going to be talking about numbers, les chiffres. So we're going to learn how to count. But we needed some help. We need some help and I think we have a friend that can help us. Can you say bonjour, Ananas? Bonjour, Ananas. Can you say that again? Bonjour, Ananas. And there she is. Ananas is a very good friend of our French class, and she helps us learn our numbers. So I hope you don't find learning French, new French words, and new French numbers scary because it's not scary. It can be a lot of fun. So we're going to have some fun with Ananas and les chiffres, our numbers. To begin with, we're going to choose the color of a pointer today. Can you repeat the colors after me? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Let's go with a nice violet aujourd'hui. Violet. There we go. So our series is called French with Ananas, and this is lesson 1.9, accent. Leçon 1.9, son A. And let's get started with our numbers. Now, all the pictures you're going to see are from our A sound words. Do you remember the name of this fruit? I think Ananas remembers the name. It's called ananas. And yes, it's her favorite fruit. Ananas. Let's count how many ananas we see. So the French word for count is compter. So if I say combien, that means how many. Combien d'ananas? Let's count together. Un ananas. Can you repeat after me? Un ananas. So this is the number for one. Un ananas. One more time. Un ananas. Bravo. Good job. Let's see what our next word is. Do you remember the name for this fruit? If you said banane, you are correct. Banane. Banane. Combien de bananes? Combien means how many. Can you count with me? Une, deux. And this is the number for deux. Deux bananes. Can you repeat that? Deux bananes. Bravo. Let's move on to the next one. Do you remember the name of this object? It is called un ballon. Ballon. Combien de ballons? Un, deux, trois. Trois ballons. Can you repeat that? Trois ballons. Bravo. Our next one is also an object. Do you remember the name of this one? It begins with the A sound. Avion. Avion. Combien d'avions? Un, deux, trois, quatre. Quatre avions. Can you repeat after me? Quatre avions. Yay, good job. Let's keep going. Do you remember the name of this small boat? Un kayak. Kayak. Combien de kayaks? Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Cinq kayaks. Can you say that? Cinq kayaks. Bravo, you are doing a super job. What's our next picture? Oh, do you remember the name of this animal? If you said lapin, you are correct. Lapin. Can you say that? Lapin. Combien de lapins? How many? Combien? Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six. Six lapins. Can you repeat after me? Six lapins. Bravo. Et le prochain. Do you remember the name of that type of hat? I'm wearing one today. It's called a casket. 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 Combien de casquettes? Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept. Sept casquettes. Can you say that? Sept casquettes. Bravo. Oh, our next one is the busy bee. Do you remember the French word for bee? It begins with the A sound. Abeille. Abeille. Combien d'abeilles? Une, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit. Huit abeilles. Can you say that? Huit abeilles. Bravo. Oh, and next word. Do you remember the name of this type of umbrella? It's called parasol. Can you say parasol? Combien de parasols? Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf. Neuf parasols. Can you repeat that after me? Neuf parasols. Bravo. Good job. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Do you remember the French word for spider? It begins with the A sound. Can you say araignée? Araignée. Let's count them together. Combien? How many? Une, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Dix araignées. Can you repeat that? Dix araignées. Yay! You did a fantastic job with counting today. I'm so happy you're doing a good job. What we're going to do now is see if we can count up to 20. So when I say the number, make sure that you repeat so that you learn them all by yourself. Are you ready? Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow! Bravo, mes amis! Great job! Oh, it's a question. Une question. Une question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? What's in my bag? Sac is another A sound word. Sac. Do I have my sac? Oh, oui, j'ai mon sac. Oui, j'ai mon sac aujourd'hui. Mon sac. J'ai mon sac. Sac. Ok, Ananas, on va regarder dans le sac. What's in here? Oh, quelque chose de léger. It's light. Léger. Est-ce que tu veux regarder, Ananas? Ananas va regarder dans le sac? Let's see. Oh, well, I don't know. I had a little bit of a peek. I think it's something very yummy. Est-ce qu'on regarde, Ananas? Let's see if I can take it out. Du sac. Okay, gonna reach in. Oh, qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, wow. That's one of our A sound words. C'est du fromage. Did you remember that word? It's the French word for cheese. Fromage. Oh, you know what, Anna? Madame is getting very hungry. I think it's my lunchtime. Oh, I think I'm going to have this for lunch. Du fromage. My friends, thank you so much. Merci beaucoup for helping us learn our numbers. And I hope that you practice at your house or at school, in the park, anywhere. We'll see you next time. Au revoir, les amis.